Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. In this video, we're going to talk about list operations, in particular membership test using in and not in. So this is in and this is not in syntax. So we use in to check if an item exists in a list, and we use not in to check if an item does not exist in a list. For example, we would like to write a program to check if apple is in the list and if grape is not in the list. To do that, we are having a list called fruits, and there are three elements in this list: apple, banana, and cherry. So the membership test is the following. To check if apple is in the list, we are having the print function. I'm typing down the apple, the element or the string that we want to check if it is existing in the fruits list or not. So simply I type down the apple, then I use the in keyword and then the name of the list, which is fruits. So I'm saying, is apple existing in the fruit list? So the output we expect to see true. Why? Because apple exists indeed in the fruits list. Why? It is the first element. And then we are checking to see if grape is not included as one element in fruits list, and we expect to see true again in the output because it is true that grape is not an element of fruits list. So let me run this code. All of them, both of the answers are true because apple is inside the fruits list here and grape is not in the fruits list. So let me have another example here. So for example, we could say uh, banana not in fruits, and the output we expect to see false. Why? Because banana, we are saying banana is not in fruits. We are checking this membership. The output is false. Why? Because banana is already there. So banana is one of the elements of these fruits. So when I print another time banana in fruits, I expect to see the output true here. So let me run the code. We see for the first two, as we discussed, the answers are true. For the third one, banana is not in fruits. It is false because indeed banana exists in fruits. And then the last one, it is true because banana is in fruits. Is it true? Is this statement true? Yes, banana is in fruits. But banana is not in fruits. Is this statement true? No, this is not true. Why? Because banana is indeed in fruits. Grape is not in fruits. Is this statement true? Yes, so the output is true. Apple is in fruits. Is this statement true? Yes, it is true, so the output is true. Thank you for watching.